Hello and welcome to the Acadelyx LMS. In this video, we will learn how to configure email notification settings in Acadelyx. Using notification settings, you can decide which emails should be sent automatically to students and administrators based on specific events such as course purchase, subscription renewals, failed transactions, and more. This gives you complete control over the emails sent from your learning platform. Let's navigate to Acadelyx, then Settings, and then Notification. Here you will find a list of notifications triggers along with separate toggle options for student and admin. You can enable or disable each email independently. For example, you may choose to notify only the student, only the admin, or both. Let's navigate to the course email notification. The first section contains notifications related to the course purchases and course activity. Notify course purchase to. When enabled, an email is sent whenever a student purchases a course. You can notify the student with purchase details and access information and the admin with order information. Next is notify course completion to. This email is sent when a student completes a course. This is useful for congratulating the students along with the link of the certificate of the course. Notify failed transaction to. If a payment fails, Acadelyx can send an email to student, the admin, or both. This helps student retry the payment and alerts admin about the unsuccessful transaction. Next is notify offline purchase to. This email is triggered when an offline payment is submitted or approved. This is useful when you accept payment through bank transfer, check, or cash. Let's navigate to the subscription email notification. The next section contains notification related to the subscription. Notify subscription activation to. Send when a new subscription is activated successfully. Next is notify failed subscription to. This email sent when a recurring payment fails or subscription cannot be processed. Next is notify renewed subscription to. Send when a subscription is renewed successfully. Next is notify cancelled subscription. This email sent when a subscription is cancelled by the student, admin, or automatically by the system. Next is notify expired subscription to. This email sent when the subscription reaches its expiry date. And next is notify overdue reminder to. This email sent during the grace period when a manual subscription has expired but can still be renewed. These emails encourages students to renew before cancellation. Next is notify suspension reminder to. This email sent before the subscription is permanently cancelled or suspended. This gives user a final opportunity to renew their subscription. If you want to enable or disable notification, simply turn the toggles on or off depending on your requirements. After configuring the required notifications, click on the Save Changes. Your email notification preferences will be applied immediately. The notification setting modules gives you complete control over the automated emails in Acadelyx. You can decide exactly which notification should be sent to students and administrator for each important event. Configure these settings to create a professional and well-communicated learning experience. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.